Hello friends, how are you? Today I have appeared before you with another topic related to Adobe Photoshop. Friends, if we ever find that to use Adobe Photoshop that there we may not be able to use save as command for the open files in Adobe Photoshop, this means that you cannot save the document or file in the desired format in your desired folder. This is our video today about how we can fix the problem. Friends, hopefully the video will teach you how to fix such cases. So let's get started. Stay tuned, after the intro video we will come back again. And in the meantime subscribe to our channel. Guys, see that when we want to save the image from the file menu which is open in Adobe Photoshop, it just doesn't work. Rather, it is shown here in a pop-up note, could not complete the save as command because there is not enough memory RAM which is unwanted. So let's figure out how to solve the problem. Friends, close the Adobe Photoshop program to fix the problem and proceed as shown in the video. Guys, first go to the Registry Editor using Run command, and then select HKY current user, software, Adobe, Photoshop, and then version. The version I used here is 120.0. Now right-click on Adobe Photoshop's version and click on New, and then select Doward 32-bit value. Rename new value number 1, with OverridePhysicalMemoryMB without any space. Right-click on OverridePhysicalMemoryMB and go to Modify, and you will see a pop-up menu. Select decimal from the base in the pop-up menu, and press OK. After put the value 16,000 in the value data box. Close the Registry Editor and open Adobe Photoshop and command save as the document again. Hopefully that will work. Friends, you can see that your document is now commanding save as, and you can put the document in the preferred folder in your preferred format. Thanks, keep smile on your face.